channel. I'm Kesang Doma and I make videos on lifestyle, food and DIYs, and today is a food vlog from Kalimpong, and the place that I'm going to show you guys is a very iconic place in Kalimpong. But before I show you that, or before I take you there, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and like this video. That would mean a lot and that would motivate me to keep on making such videos for you guys. So yeah. So today's video is about this very iconic place in Kalimpong and very special and famous street food, I must say, of Kalimpong, that is the Kachar Pachar near Kanchan, and I am right in front of that. And this place has been running since 60-70 years besides the Kanchan cinema hall, and people from Kalimpong know this place. A lot of you guys have a lot of memories here because this is the famous adda place for a lot of people from my generation and older generation. And yeah, I thought this would be a very fun video and this would be very fun to show you guys how it's running till date. So yeah guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video, and without any further ado, let's get some food. So this is the Kalimpong famous Kanchan Kachar Pachar. No? This bowl full of stuff is a very nostalgic thing for me, and I'm sure like a lot of you watching this must be feeling very nostalgic. So yeah, you have thukpa and you have aloo. You have Fumbi, which is also one of the famous dish that is found in Kalimpong. You have this aloo chop, you have this anda, and you have achar and everything. And all of this you can customize it. You guys can ask the shopkeeper here, and she's gonna prepare your bowl just like that. And you sabai like Kachar Pachar bhन्छ हैन नेपाली term Kachar Pachar means like je paite, you know, so त्यही कारण चाहिँ I think Kachar Pachar त्यसै नाम बसेको होला हैन चाहिँ सबै कुरा मिक्स गरेकोले गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ यसलाई चाहिँ कचर पचर भन्छ किनभने it's not just a single dish but compilation of like many fast food or snacks, you can say. So yeah, let's give it a bite. अब ओभर फुल भइदियो हैन, मिक्स गर्न साह्रो पर्दै हो. दामी पिरो भइदैछ. Nice. So यो कन्दाखेरि चाहिँ I'm instantly taken back to my school days, you know, because त्यति बेला कालिम्पोङमा यो क्याफेजहरु अहिले कस्तो थिएन किन अहिले पो like there are like so many cafes like popping up, you know, every single month. But back then Kachar Pachar was one of the most happening places, no, for adda mareko adda session. So yeah, we used to like come here with our friends, and that was a hunger because your Kanchan stand pins and just so please avoid the noises. I'm sure like a lot of you must be like watching this and must be thinking, yeah, that was the place we used to go and hang out with our friends, you know, like this is the place where you like came with your friends, like kamti budget ma tanna agaउने हैन. So like मजाको मिठो खानु पाउने जग्गा चाहिँ कञ्चनको कचर पचर हो. So if you guys तपाईले हेर्नु भएको छ, if you guys haven't been to कञ्चनको कचर पचर, then please give it a visit. This is like Kalimpong, one of the most famous delicacies, so you guys must try this. So yeah, I just like eat my food now. And like entire this bowl is just $50, so it's still in the budget. So yeah. So चाहिँ हाम्रो कालिम्पोङको फेमस फम्बी हैन, हल्का गिलिक हुन्छ तर खानु चाहिँ मजा आइदिन्छ. भुटेको चाहिँ दामी हुन्छ सादा भन्दा. यो चाहिँ भुटेको फम्बी हो. अनि कति साल भयो तपाईको?
15 साल भयो हो.
हजुर.
मेरो बोजूले गरेको चाहिँ 1967 मा गरेको.
So this place has been running through her like family, and she's the third generation to like run this place, and it's been 60 years since they've been like selling this delicacy over here just besides the Kanchan.
But like, if you see this was the Kanchan cinema hall, so there was a very happening place. Like only 2 cinema halls were there in Kalimpong, Kanchan and Novelty, and this was one of them. And it used to be a very happening place, but now it's like shut down. So yeah guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed this vlog, and make sure you guys come to Kachar Pachar near Kanchan to have this delicious delicacy of Kalimpong at very affordable price. I know ek bot gayo tabe dammai huncha khanu pani saro pardincha. So yeah, and for those of you who are away from Kalimpong, I hope this gave you certain glimpse of certain memories that you guys may have here. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this. Please give this video a thumbs up if you guys did, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. That would mean a lot. And with that being said, I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you so much for watching. Stay creative and stay curious. Peace out. Hey, basta. Timi, go no dyan uri. Hey, basta.